Are you tired of those yellow, faded, ugly turn signal mirror covers on your Mercedes? You all keep saying that it's really expensive to maintain and keep a Mercedes looking good. Not true. There's so many little things that you can do just to keep it looking very nice. Here goes an example. All right, guys, we're looking at the 2009 GL550. Get rid of those ugly turn signal covers that are in your mirror. Now, these have yellowed, and also inside of there, that paint has been compromised due to water getting inside of there. So, remove the light cover from the actual mirror. Of course, it's a little bit more involved than that. And just replace it with a nice tinted one. This will look good on this 2009 GL550 because it already has tinted windows. So the tinted turn signal mirrors looks very nice on there. You have to first remove the front cover, which is the side where the mirror is located. Now there's little tabs that you have to, with a small flathead screwdriver, pry loose. And then this front cover comes off. When I say front, I mean pointing towards the back where the mirror is. This cover comes off this way, and then the rear cover pops off. There's a little plug that you have to detach, right? You have to put a flathead right here. This pops out, then you remove it. There are two little screws that you have to remove, and also some wiring that you have to modify. It comes with this little aftermarket plug or adapter. You just cut those, splice them into the existing wire, and you're good to go. Just like so. So once you install this and reconnect that plug, then you snap this front piece right here, the bezel, back on, and you're good to go. Of course, make sure that it works.